The headline in today's Times asks a simple question: how much money has Trump made as president? And the answer, as the paper lays out, is surprisingly detailed. In 2017, Trump's businesses slipped a profit of $114 million. By 2018, that figure had collapsed to just $16 million, a dramatic fall from a year of heavy real estate deals and licensing contracts. In 2019, the earnings were even lower, $239,000, and the trend continued in 2020 and beyond, $459,000 in 2020, $384,000 in 2021, and $131,000 in 2022. By the end of his two-term presidency, the annual taxes filed show a net income total of roughly $115 million. This figure is extracted straight from Trump's presidential financial disclosures, files that the White House leaked to the public and required him to sign each year. The disclosures give no net worth figure, but they chart a clear line of revenue. Buffer helps us see how the president's business empire, arguably the largest of any modern American leader, continued to turn a profit while he executed policy. It also shows how sharply it fell in the second year, likely a reflection of the slowing of his commercial ventures at the time, and of the impact of the pandemic on his real estate and licensing operations. The Times analysis notes that Trump's wealth grew during his earlier years. His real estate portfolio, driven by luxury hotels, casinos, and golf courses, produced several $100 million in total over decades. Those numbers give context to the tax returns. In 2017, his net profit was over $114 million, putting his total pre-presidential wealth at around $10 billion, the richest of any president in modern U.S. history. The paper points out that he continued to earn that money even after he left the office, and that those numbers were fully reported to the IRS. The contrast between the substantial profits in his first year as president and the decline in subsequent years is striking, and is a key part of the story the Times is telling. Whether you see it as a testament to Trump's business acumen or a warning about sitting in two positions of power, the data is in the public domain and, as always, the headline is clear. The president who had the largest business empire of modern history earned a record profit in 2017, then saw that profit plunge by more than 80% in the next year, and it eased again in later years. That is the story, and the numbers breathe real life into it. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to dig even deeper into these financial disclosures, stay tuned for our next episode. Until next time, this is your daily dash of news in word syndicatos, signing off. Happy listening, folks.